Here's your chance, do your dance at the Space Jam. Alright.
Okay, let's get started with another sports commentary themed question. So, this time, instead of finding the part like we did last time, we're going to find the whole. So we've got this next problem, 1C, peg it ready, pencil, let's go. 60% of the offensive players on the ISU Redbirds football team are seniors. If 12 offensive players are seniors, how many offensive players are on the team? So this time, we've got the percent, so I'm still going to put that over 100 like last time, but this time we've got 12 offensive players are seniors. That's a part. That is one part, right? That's not their whole offensive team or section of their team. It's just the ones that are seniors. So that's going to go on top. So here's what I got set up for my proportion, as should you. So we got 60 on top as our percent, over 100. The part is 12, and I'm trying to find out how many offensive players are on their team, that total of offensive players. So I noticed that across, and I'm looking at the top this time, 60 divided by 5 gives you 12. So we're going to take 100 divided by 5, and our answer is 20 offensive players on the team. Okay, obviously they got a defensive side of the team too. These are just the offensive players. So the total would be 20, and 12 of those are seniors. So the rest are other age groups. Okay, so what I want you to do now is jam out to this music for a second, and then go on to your next three problems on your own and check with the answer key. So there's that packet answer key provided for you. Do these problems on your own. Check them with that. If you are good to go, great. Move on to your quick check, and then you'll go on to the next section. Good luck. You got it.